Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Box. Tracy here, and I've got a bit of an unboxing for you. So this is some stuff that I didn't think it'd be in a box this big or this heavy, but I've ordered for my shop. So we just pop that down there, and did have some scissors in here, but I've taken them out. But I do have a knife now. I'm not sure, but I was going to order a box cutter because I really do need a box cutter. So I've got my little, well, it's a delivery note. That's the word, delivery note. So I've got to try and get in this without either slicing the contents or me. It's so taped that might be a bit of a tall order, knocking my light about, but hopefully just the light. Back in a sec. Just look at the lovely Joan. I nearly did it. Nearly cut myself, guys, trying to get in this. It's really quite sore actually. Must have been a very near miss. That would have been a totally different video, I think. Right, we'll do it with this hand and hopefully it'll be better than slicing across. There we go, we're in without injury. Almost. Little injury. Right, you can't see it. It's that insignificant. Anyway, opening the box. We've got some Haribo. Can't eat these. Starting diet. Right, let me just turn this round. There we go. And this is a very heavy box. And we've got lots of this. Endless fun. Still not in the right place, is it? Go down. There we go. Down a bit. There we go. So I will use that. This is what I've been waiting for, because these are new and they are Clover wool winders, and they're meant to be 100-gram ones, so the larger wool winder, and they're supposed to be really easy to use, easier than the others. And well, I had a little bit of a kerfuffle with mine the other day. I had one of those big metal ones, I can't remember the name, some Stanwood I want to say, but it was really not behaving itself, or it was either me or it anyway. But I want to give these a go. Now I bought one for me, one for the shop, and then see how they go. I always kind of use myself as a guinea pig. Last time I didn't think it would be this big. Well, most of it was packaging around those. They are not, they're quite expensive, those, I have to say. There's so much of this. If I ever needed bubble wrap, that's fine. Wow, this is heavy. This is heavy. I don't remember what this is. It's got an interesting box. Oh, it's actually, oh yeah, I remember these now. These are all different sizes and they're called botties. Non-slip soles for making socks and slippers. So they're soles and they're called botties. So obviously I wanted to try these out, making myself some slippers and seeing how good they were. But I couldn't just get one size, and yeah, so I thought I'd get, anyway, there's this one. We'll get that out in a minute. And I've got all these sizes. Thought that was a bit heavy, didn't understand what it could be. Let's put that lid underneath. They come well boxed. They're ever so heavy, guys. It's because they're kind of quite sturdy soles. They're not bad. Right, getting trouble getting that in there. There we go, it's in. I feel like that's all there is, but it's not. There's more in the back. There's more in. There needs to be, because I ordered more. So this one's quite a big one. That's what I was looking for. These are interesting. I kind of like the look of these. Free tutorial. Crocheted and sewn slippers. So it's a free tutorial. Thin and flexible, like bare feet. Pre-punched, sewn on quickly. Machine washable and durable, includes thread for sewing on, felt inserts and woven labels. So this is, oh, it's my size, a UK 4.5 to 5.5. So it's European 37, American 6.5 to 7.5. But this is my size, so I wanted one for me. And this is the free tutorial. That looks quite cool, doesn't it? It's looking really down. I'm having a bit of trouble with my thingy. Turn your socks into safe and durable everyday companion botties. Botties soles. You can also use them as the basis for your unique slipper creations, whether knitted, crocheted or sewn. I like the look of them. So let's get one out, because they're going to be mine, this one, and see. Now, what's put me off of buying these in the past was that the ones I saw were quite flimsy. So you get this felt insert that goes in the bottom of your bottie. You get some labels to sew in, so that if you want to advertise botties, you can. There's your thread for attaching them, and here they are. So they've got a tread on the bottom, the punched holes in the side, and they're fully rubber. How cool is that? I really like them. Okay, so we got botties, guys. Put my little labels in, and the two kind of squishy, comfy bits. Comfy, squishy bits even. And yeah, wow. So I like them. They're all right. I thought I'd get some for the shop and not just for me. So there we are. Botties. Now, I've got a feeling there might be another box of botties. No, half a box of something. 20 million yards of that. And packaging. What is this? This is well, if you took the opportunity to send me some Symphony hand dyed yards Chronicle 1. Okay, loads of books. I didn't order them. Why did you send me all these books? 3 of them, 4 of them. Oh, hang on, maybe they're patterns. Perhaps I did order them. Hang on a minute, it's been a long time. Oh yes, they are. They're patterns to make. You know, I saw the hand dyed yarn from them. So these are all pattern books. Wow. Doesn't really show you everything that they sell. It's going to have to be it's that strange stuff that interferes with my nose. It's the Viva and the Terra, all that yarn. So we've got a long cardie there, and oh look, here's all the small pictures of all of the things, but you can't really see them on that tiny little picture. So there's that Coastal Cables cardie, and what else have we got? Woven Warmth, so it looks like basket weave. And then we've got some cowls there, Adagio, more blooming bubble wrap. Now we've got a jumper that's got kind of collar and interesting sleeves, or not. Dolman Dream, so we've got this, which is on the cover. And we've got hats and scarves. Is that knitted? Doesn't say yet. This is called Trellis. I don't know if you can see it when I'm holding it up like that. The book's so big. And then we've got this cardie. Quite nice patterns actually. Another scarf, stripy one, and another one called Whimsical. That's like a basket weave as well, a woven sort of pattern. This is called Sonata. So the back of the book is all the instructions. We've got Sonata is this pullover, and Meadow, it's a cardigan. I'm really hungry. If I start rumbling, I do apologise. but I am starving. Starving Marvin. And we've got this one. That's nice. I like that. Three-quarter length sleeves as well, so that's right up my street. And we have this one. And there's loads. Absolutely loads. This one's called Plush. So it's a big pattern book, full desire. And I had to go to the hospital this morning, and so I haven't eaten. I'm starving, guys. This one. And wow, there's so many. And there's this one. It's really heavy book. Okay, so now we've got the patterns. They're all in the back part, and you've got nice big pictures of the patterns. So I'll put that down with the other 3 or so. Is that it? Is that all I bought? It is, actually. So that's it. But one thing that I really wanted more than anything was this. Now, they're Clover, and they're not cheap by any means, but I really fancied having a play, so I'm going to have a play with mine, and I will list the other one. But a little word of warning, they're not kind of the cheapy sort of Knit Pro ones that you've seen. They're actually quite a bit, I don't know, sturdier. And let's get mine out, shall we? As it's mine, you can have a little looky and see. So there's the destructions. And here is my winder. I don't want to lose any bits. That's the handle, I think. It's actually not that big, is it? Oh, it must be the spindle. It looks small. It's very compact, but apparently it is. Is it one of them wobbly ones? Oh, it is. I do like a wobbly one. Isn't that cool? But it's got this, there's the spindle that fits on there. There must be another bit, surely. No, it's that. There's the end. I got it the wrong way around. So it doesn't look like it'll do 100 grams, but it does. So there we are. They're all wobbly wool winder. I like that. It kind of looks like it's like, oh, I'm all over the place. Sorry, it's just my wool winder talking to me. I'm going to have a play with it. I'm going to test it out and probably do that on camera, and we'll see if it's worth the money. But what are these? These are brilliant. I really like these, so I'm definitely going to be putting these in my shop. And well, I've got loads of sizes. Let's see, that's a 4.5 to 5.5. Just about to rumble really loud. I do apologise if I do. 4.5 to 5.5. 4.5 to 5.5. So I've got lots of sizes. 4.5 to 5.5. And probably because I ordered extra of those for me. All right, where's the glasses gone? This one is 8.5 to 9.5. And so is that one. And this one, 6.5 to 7.5. Yeah, that's all. And that's it. But aren't they fabulous? They really are. And I like the fact that there is a crochet tutorial on it. This looks quite a decent slipper as well. Bit of front post, back post going on there, I think. And they've put the little Botties sign on the side, like it's designer. Well, I like them. I like them a lot. So give me a while and I will get those uploaded. But I think, to be honest with you, when it says 4.5 to 5.5, I think that would be like a 4 to 5.5, don't you? I can't imagine it not incorporating a size 4. My goodness, make my tea go cold. For once I didn't order hooks. I usually order, I thought I did. Maybe not. Oh well, pattern books and botties. Oh, and a wool winder. Only the one, because one is for me. So thank you for watching. Wish me luck setting that winder. I had such terrible problems with that Stanwood. And when I set it up with a Swift, it was working perfectly when I was turning it. But it was when I was winding it from a ball that I had the trouble. And I think it's because the yarn was aiming down and perhaps that guide wasn't in the right place and it kept taking the yarn that was hanging down. If they had another little guide that was stuck up there, then as you do it, it's never going to come downwards, if you know what I mean. I think that's what's needed, a way of having that yarn go up before it comes down. That's what I think. I was ill at the time, I couldn't figure it, and I was getting more and more cross with it. But that's not why I ordered this. I saw these ages ago, and when I did my last order, I had a little note saying, sorry, they're out of stock, but we'll send you them in as soon as they're done, as soon as they're in. And then they wanted me to know if I wanted them to send them. But at the time, I was kind of like, no, not yet. I'd spent a fortune and I really wanted to pace it. So I thought, well, if they've still got them now, I'll order them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Wish me luck. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.